Okay, good day. So ngayon, or this time, we are down with the last lesson in the first quarter. So before, this is the application of what we studied regarding arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. So kung ano yung sinusolve natin doon, we will apply it to real life situations. So our lesson for today is about solving word problems involving sequences. Okay? So dito na natin i-apply yung mga sinolve natin concept dati na finding n term, finding the sum, and geometric mean, arithmetic mean, mga ganon. Okay? So, to start, let's have our first problem. An apple tree bore 83 apples last 2018. In 2019, it bore 101 apples. The following year, 2020, it bore 119 apples. If this continues, how many apples will it bear in 2040? So, ang gagawin lang natin throughout the lesson is to analyze the problem and to look what is being asked. So, dito sa problem, ang gagawin lang natin, yung pinakapag-solve ay ginawa na natin before. So, ang kailangan lang natin pag-aralan ngayon, paano ba i-analyze yung problem? Ano ba yung tanong? Ano ba yung given sa atin? Okay? So, in example number 1, so we have an apple tree and given yung mga numbers na 83 apples, 101 apples, and 119 apples. So, ang tinatanong, kung tuloy-tuloy daw na ganito yung mangyayari taon-taon, ilang apples o how many apples will it bear in 2040? Ilan na yung magiging bunga ng apple tree pagsapit ng 2040 or 2040. Okay? So, una, alamin natin anong klaseng sequence to. Is this an arithmetic sequence or is this a geometric sequence? So, ito yung ating table. So, year, 2018, 2019, and 2020. Ito yung the first 3 consecutive years. Ito yung first 3 terms natin. Unang year, pangalawang year, at pangatlong year. Kung mapapansin natin, ang ating n, ang ating unit ng n ay year. At ang ating unit ng terms ay apples. So, meaning, ganito lang yan. Laging naiiba ng element o naiiba ng bagay ang n. Ang terms, yung n term, yung common difference, laging pare-parehas yan. Kung apple, apples lahat sila. Kung mangoes, mangoes. Kung cars, cars sila. Lagi lang yung n ay yung bagay na sunod-sunod. Oras, taon, linggo, araw, yun yung laging n natin. Okay? So, right now, we are going to solve this problem. So, we have the given the first term, 83, the second term, 101, and the third term, 119. Identify muna natin kung this is a geometric or an arithmetic. Paano natin gagawin? Diba ang property ng arithmetic sequence, the property of arithmetic sequence description is it has a common difference. While in the geometric sequence, it has a common ratio naman. So, yun yung pagkakaibang dalawa. Malalaman natin kung arithmetic sequence kung may common difference. Malalaman natin kung geometric sequence kung may common ratio. So, right now, let us test if it is an arithmetic sequence by subtracting the second term to the first term, which is 101 minus 83 equals 18. Dapat, kung isusubtract natin yung third sa second, yung 119 sa 101, dapat 18 din lumabas para maging arithmetic sequence siya. And that is 18. So therefore, this problem involves arithmetic sequence. So ngayon, alam natin arithmetic sequence. Ano ba yung mga kailangan sa arithmetic sequence? First, we have to find our a sub 1. Meron ba tayong a sub 1 na given sa problem? Tignan natin. Based dun sa problem, a sub 1 ay yung pinakauna. May binigay ba dito kung ano yung pinakaunang bilang ng apples? Of course, that is 83 apples. Yan yung ating a sub 1. Okay, so meron tayong a sub 1. Check. Next, common difference. Pag sinabing common difference, yung pagitan ng bawat terms. Given ba yung pagitan kung ilang apples yung nadadagdag taon-taon? Okay, yan. Sinolve na natin kanina. We have here 18. So, therefore, the common difference, meron tayo. Meron pa tayong n. Alam ba natin kung ilang taon o yung tinatanong? Ilang taon ba yung tinatanong? Meron ba tayo dito sa ating problem? Yes, meron. Pero hindi yun yung 2040. Ito yung mismong year. So, ang aalamin natin, ilang taon mula 2018 na first term natin hanggang 2040. So, kung ibibilangin natin 2018, 2019, 2020 hanggang umabot ng 2040, which will give us ilan? 23 years. Okay. Pag sinubtract ninyo, lalabas 22. Sir, 22 lang. Eh, syempre, kasama yung 2018. Yan yung pinakauna. Kaya, dadagdagan mo talaga ng isa. Kaya, ang ating N ay 23 years. Okay. So, meron tayong N. Check. So, ngayon, meron na tayo ng tatlo. Kailangan na lang nating alamin, ano ba yung tinatanong? Is it the N term? Or is it the sum? Okay? Yun yung dalawang tinatanong lagi eh. Is it the N term kung ilan yung ganito? Or the sum, ilan yung kabuuan? So, wala naman tayong word na nagbibigay sa atin ng clue na kabuuan yung tinatanong sa atin. So, therefore, we are looking for the A sub N. Okay? And, to get A sub N, so meaning we are looking for the number of apples on the 23rd year. After 23 years, ilan yung naging bunga niya on the 23rd year. So, pwede tayong magmano-mano. Kaso nga lang, so, sige, tuloy natin. Mano-mano tayo. So, our given is A sub 1 is equal to 83 apples. The common difference is 18 apples. N is equal to 23 years. And we are looking for A sub N. So, if we're going to take it mano-mano. So, ang gagawin lang natin, di ba, nakukuha. To get the next term, we just have to add the common difference. Duduktong lang natin sa una. So, kung 83 yung nauna, ano yung mga susunod? Siyempre, i-add lang natin plus 18, plus 18, plus 18, ng plus 18, ng plus 18, ng plus 18, ng plus 18, hanggang sa maka 23 terms na tayo. So, starting with the first term, which is 83, second term, 101, third term, 119, hanggang umabot tayo ng 23 terms. Mag-a-add lang tayo ng mag-a-add ng 18. Okay? Now, this is, of course, dun sa mga nahirapan mag-formula. Pero, ano ang itong, ang tawag dito, ano ang bad side or yung, ano bang tawag sa ganon? Yung hindi niya magandang part. So, kapag nagmano-mano kayo, kapag nagkamali kayo ng add ng isang beses lang, nagkamali kayo, kunwari dito sa gitna, nagkamali kayo sa pang 5th term, all throughout mali na kayo. Ngayon, pag nalaman mong mali ka, uulitin mo lahat kasi hindi mo alam kung pang ilang term ka nagkamali. Yun yung negative effect niya, ay negative part niya. So, yung positive part, wala ka nang gagawin, madali lang mag-add ka lang na mag-add. Pero yun nga, so, nasa sayan kung ano gusto mong gawin. So, kung binano natin, 83 plus 18, hanggang umabot tayo ng 23rd term, which is 479. Therefore, the answer to this problem is the tree will bear 479 apples in 2040. Ang pinakasagot is 479 apples. Hindi lang 479. Because the question is how many apples. So this time, kailangan may unit na lagi yung sagot natin. Okay? So ang haba, no? Kapag nag-add tayo ng mano-mano. Now, we are going to let's test using the formula. So, the formula for finding the n term is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Ito yung ating formula. So, madali lang yan. Substitute lang tayo ng substitute. Total, meron na tayong mga given dito. Oops, hindi ka kasama. May mga given na tayo dito. Ipapalit na lang natin. So, yung n, papalitan natin ng 23. A sub 1, palitan natin ng 83. O n, parehas lang yon 23. And then, the common difference is 18. Now, yan, na-substitute na tayo. So, first thing to do is 23 minus 1, which will give us 22. Now, eto muna, multiplication. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot dyan is 22 times 18, and that will give us 396. And then, the last thing to do, since parehas naman silang positive, positive yung 83, positive yung 396, i-add lang natin. And that will give us 479. O, diba? Mabilis lang. That is the purpose of using a formula. Kaya dinivise yung mga formula to lessen the work. Okay? So, hindi ko pa rin sinasabi na mali kung gusto magmano-mano. Just make sure na precise or tama lahat ng step by step mong ginagawa. Okay? Ganun din siyempre sa paggamit ng formula. So, therefore, the tree will bear 479 apples in 2040 or in 2040. Okay? So, this time, it is an arithmetic sequence. Okay? Next example. Ganun pa rin. An apple tree bore 83 apples, that's 2018. In 2019, it bore 101 apples. The following year, 2020, it bore 119 apples. If this continues, how many total number of apples will it bear for 12 years? So, ang tanong naman dito, ilan ng apple ang kabuuan? Kasi may nakalagay ng total number. Ilan na yung apple ang nabunga niya simula nung 2018 hanggang umabot ng 12 years. So, ganun pa rin, given ang ating mga numbers, we have 83 as our first term. Common difference is 18, katulad ng kinuha na natin kasi kanina. And this time, our n is 12. Kasi 12 years lang yung tinatanong. Ilan yung lahat ng naging apple, na naging bunga ng puno for 12 years. So, we are looking for S sub n or the sum. Okay? So, pwede rin ulit tayo magmano-mano. Yun nga lang, medyo matagal nga. So, 83, kunin muna natin lahat yung 12 na numbers, 12 terms. So, 83, 101, 119, hanggang umabot ng 281. Yun yung pang 12. And after that, to get the sum, ano ba yung sum? You just have to add all the terms. So, add 83 plus 101 plus 119 plus 137 up to plus 281. And that will give us 2,184. Therefore, ano na? The tree will bear a total of 2,184 apples. So, ganun na kadami. Lahat ng naging bunga nung puno na yon, 2,184 apples in 12 years. Now, how about using the formula? So, the formula for S sub n is n over 2, quantity 2a sub 1 plus quantity, again, open parenthesis, n minus 1 times the common difference. So, simple lang. Substitute lang ulit natin. Meron tayong n na 12. Oops. Meron tayong n na 12. Meron tayong a sub 1 na 83. Meron tayong n na 12 again. And the common difference is 18. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin lang natin, isa-isahin natin. Unahin natin to. Anong sagot dito? Sa 12 divided by 2. And then, dito naman, anong sagot sa 2 times 83? Dito rin, 12 minus 1, tapos times 18. Again, ano-ano yung mga yon? 12 divided by 2, isulat. 2 times 83, isulat. 12 minus 1 times 18, isulat. Ayan ang lalabas. So, yung 12 divided by 2, naging 6. 2 times 83, naging 166. And then, 12 minus 1 times 18, yan, naging 198. 12 minus 1, and then times 18. So, this time, parehas silang positive. Positive yung 166, positive yung 198. We just have to add. And that will give us 364. And then, the last thing to do is to multiply 364 times 6, and that will give us 2,184. So, parehas lang, di ba? Yung nakaraan, nag-activity tayo, yung iba, nagmano-mano, tapos gumamit ng formula, magkaiba yung lumabas na sagot. So, dapat parehas lang yon. Okay? So, 2,184. Okay, class. Kapag nagmano-mano kayo, sapat na yon kung sigurado kayong tama. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-formula. Kasi minsan nalilito kayo, nag-formula kayo, mali yung sagot, magkaiba yung sagot, nilalagay nyo sa formula. So, kung nag-formula naman kayo, yun yung tamang sagot, nagmano-mano kayo, yun yung pagtiwalaan ninyo. Isa lang, pili lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo gawin. Kung gusto niyo makasigurado, gawin niyo dalawa. Dapat parehas yung lalabas na sagot. Okay? Now, let's move to the third example. The price of an antique jar in an auction was 1,300 pesos in the first week. So, pera naman ngayon. Yung antique jar ay nung first week, nung binibenta, ang price nito ay 1,300 pesos. On the second week, the price rose to 2,600 pesos. So, tumaas. And the third week, the price was already 5,200 pesos. So, tumaas ulit. Kung tuloy-tuloy daw to, if this continues, what will be the price on the seventh week? So, meron tayong first, second, and third. Alamin natin, ano na yung magiging price up to the seventh week. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, our terms here are in pesos. Yun yung unit niya, pesos. And then, the N is weeks. Okay? So, magkaiba sila. So, yan. Ngayon, alamin natin, is this an arithmetic sequence or is it a geometric sequence? Kapag minus ba natin yung 2,600 pesos sa 1,300, ang lalabas is 1,300. Tama, pag minus natin. Pag minus naman natin yung 5,200 pesos sa 2,600, ang lalabas naman is 2,600. So, magkaiba sila ng difference. Therefore, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Maybe it is a geometric sequence. So, try nating i-divide. Kapag geometric sequence, kailangan meron silang common ratio. I-divide natin yung pangalawa sa una or yung pangatlo sa pangalawa. So, we have 2,600 divided by 1,300 and that will give us 2. How about the third one and the second one? 5,200 divided by 2,600. And that will give us also 2. Therefore, we have a common ratio and this problem involves geometric sequence. So, alamin ulit natin kung meron tayo ng mga given. A sub 1, meron ba tayong first term? Ano yung pinakauna? Yes, we have 1,300 pesos. That is our first term. How about the common ratio? Ayan, sinolve na natin. We have 2. 2. Okay? How about N? Meron ba tayong number of terms kung pangilan yung hinahanap? Yes, we have 7. So, 7 weeks. Yan yung ating N. And then, we are looking for A sub N kasi hindi naman total yung, hindi kabuuan yung ating tinatanong. Tinatanong lang kung ano yung pang 7. Now, again, pwede tayong magmano-mano using this given. So, nagsimula sa 1,300. Okay? Muli ito. 1,300. Erase. 1,300. Sorry for that. Yan. Tapos, common ratio. Ano ba ginagawa sa common ratio? Di ba minumultiply? So, we're going to get the next term in a geometric sequence, kailangan mag-multiply tayo. So, we have 1,300 times 2, times positive 2 again, times positive 2, times positive 2, hanggang sa maka 7 terms na tayo. And that will give us 83,200 pesos. Therefore, the price will rise up to 83,200 pesos on the 7th week. Yung sa pang-pitong linggo ay magkakaroon tayo magiging presyo ay 8,200 pesos. Okay? 83,200 pesos. I'm sorry. Now, let us try using the formula. Yan. Palitan natin. Ay, mali ito. This will be 1,300. Yan. Tanda na, 1,300 yan. Okay? 2. Ilang 2 yan? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Kasi 7 yung nandito. Okay? 7 yung ating weeks. 7 minus 1, that will give us 6. And then, ibig sabihin nito ay hindi 2 times 6. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay 6 na 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na 2. And then, imumultiply natin sa 1,300. Ang makukuha natin is 83,200 pesos. So, katulad lang nung pagsusolve dati. Okay, tandaan na, dito lagi nagkakamali. Ibig sabihin yan, iyon yung bilang kung ilang beses ka magbumultiply nung number na nasa loob. Okay? Hindi yan 2 times 6 lamang. And then, imumultiply mo sa nasa labas na number. Okay? Let's have another example. Lenny bought a machine with which costs 10,000 pesos and its value decreases by 600 per year. So, meron tayong machine na nagkakahalaga ng 10,000 pesos nung una at kada taon nababawasan siya ng 600 pesos. Question is, how will be the machine worth on its 6th year? Kung pang-anim na taon na, magkano na lang yung ating machine? Okay? So, eto, nag-breakdown tayo ng tatlo para malaman natin kung siya ay geometric or arithmetic. So, pero doon pa lang, kitang-kita na natin, no, nakalagay decreases by 600. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan ng 600. Okay? Kaya nakita nyo, first term, second term, third term natin ay, ayan, lumabas. Ibig sabihin, tayo ay magdi-deal ng arithmetic sequence. So, meron mo tayong itong mga to. Yes, meron tayong a sub 1. The first term is 10,000 pesos. Meron ba tayong common difference? Yes, meron common difference. Decreases by 600. Ibig sabihin, decreases, negative, and then 600. So, our common difference is negative 600. And, ilan yung years? 6 years. Okay? So, let us start solving now. So, 6 years lang. Madaling imano-mano. Ito na yung ating given. 10,000 pesos, negative 600 pesos, and 6. Ilan dapat? 6, di ba? 10,000, 9,400, 8,800, hanggang sa maka-6 na tayo. Therefore, our price will be dropped up to 7,000 pesos na lang. So, after 6 years, 7,000 pesos na lang yung halaga nung machine. How? Using the formula. Substitute again. A sub 1, 10,000. Palit. Common difference, dito ipapalit. N, ito yon 6. Ang ilalagay dito. Kaya ito ay 6, 10,000, 6, and then negative 600. Okay? I-operate lang. 6 minus 1, of course, we all know that is 5. And this time, we have to multiply 5 to negative 600. I-multiply lang. Ang lalabas doon is negative 3,000. Ayan, negative kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Positive to, negative yon, nagkaroon ng negative. Ngayon, this time, kahit plus yung nakikita nyo dyan, negative yung isang number, yung isa ay positive. Therefore, ang gagawin kapag different signs sa addition, we have to subtract. And that will give us 7,000. Therefore, the value of the machine will be 7,000 pesos in the 6th year. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Total, dahil alam mo na mag-solve ng finding the end term, finding the sum, madali na tayong makapag-solve ng problem. The challenge here lang is to identify ano yung tinatanong, anong klase ng sequence yung involved, and to find the given. Okay? Kailangan lang ng understanding, reading comprehension ang pinaka-importante dito, and then madali na mag-solve, di ba? Okay? So, this time, I want you to answer this seatwork number 8. Okay? Seatwork number 8, seatwork number 8, seatwork number 8, 1, 2, 3, and then post nyo lang kung gusto nyo pang kopyahin or screenshot, and then number 4 and 5. Okay? So, pwede kayo bumalik sa ating mga lessons para mag-guide kayo sa pagsusolve. So, please, wag hulaan at saguting mabuti because this is our last lesson. And the next hour or in the next session natin, you will have a summative test. So, please review your previous lessons, panoorin yung mga video or i-ready yung mga video para habang nagsasagot, meron tayong guide. O, yan na. Summative test, meron pa kayong guide. Okay? So, please, take in mind that the next thing will be the summative test. Okay? And good luck. Please continue doing your performance task. I-extend natin yung submission hanggang next week. Okay? So good luck and start answering. Bye-bye.